What is the number one mistake founders and product teams do when launching a new app? Guesswork. Teams make guesses all the time about what people want and what will work for the business. Here's a 6-step process to avoid the guesswork and build delightful apps that people love, which can also be commercially successful. First, start with why. Why should your product exist? Why should your business exist? Who are the people you are serving? What are the problems you're solving? Not what you think are problems, but the real pain that people willing to pay for to have it solved. How can you solve it better than your competitors? Once you have a clear vision, deep dive into user research. Who are your users and your customers? What do they see value in? Why will they come back to your app over and over? Draw user portraits and imagine their experience with your app. Sketch out how that experience would look. It's no longer enough to have a plain, functional app. There are a million apps out there, but less than 5% of them survive beyond a few months. At exactly why you need to bring in strategies to make your UX more engaging and sticky. Once you've nailed the UX, switch hats. Think like a business owner. When would you call the app a success? When would you call the business a success? What are the business goals and targets you want to achieve? Set your KPIs, metrics, and targets, and ensure the UX you're designing meets the business goals. For example, if you want referrals, then make sure you're asking users to refer at some point on their journey. Next one is our favorite. Your app isn't just a piece of code, but a brand with a heart. If your brand was a person, how would it speak to your users? Make every interaction on your app more human. Create a brand persona that people can relate to and recall easily. By now, your team should be able to clearly visualize what users value and what your business needs. Next, choose your tech stack and start building a prototype. Launch your pilot version, test it with real users, and learn from what's working and what's not. Need help? Get a free 60-day product development roadmap.